A different bolt pattern. Some of the holes line up, the other two do not. That one's fun. How to adjust this. We have an adjusting tool and we have a pin. Take the adjusting tool, turn it. First turn is okay. So the second turn is going to give me a little more pressure. So what I'm going to do is take the pin, just put it in the hole to hold its place. So it's just going to hold it there. And now I'm going to test the door to see if it'll start swinging closed on its own. Well, that's not enough tension. So let's try a little more. Turn it. And put the pin in another hole. Hold it in place. Adjust the door. See if it works. Alright, it's keeping it from open further, but it's not enough. One more turn. Turn it. Plug it in the next hole. See if that works. You only want enough tension, it'll do the job. I'm happy. And to finish this, take the pin. It might be easier to take some of the pressure off the pin and then tap it.